Students, in this video, now see derivative of functions in parametric forms. What is this parametric form? Suppose there are two variables x and y, okay, and x is given in terms of t here. See 2at square. That is, this function is given in terms of t, 2at square, and second function y is also given in terms of t. That is, this x is a function in t, that is 2at square. This second function y is given g of t in terms of t, 4at cube. Okay, then it is asked to find dy by dx. So in that case, you differentiate this y with respect to t, find dy by dt, and then differentiate this x with respect to t, find dx by dt, and therefore dy by dt will be equals to dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. In this way we can find the derivative of the equations which are given in the parametric forms. Okay, so here we say that the relation between the first two variables, between the first two variables say x and y, हमारे ये दो वेरिएबल्स है, हो x and y is expressed via third variable t, suppose. Okay, via third variable. The third variable, जो थर्ड वेरिएबल यहाँ पे जो t यूज किया हमने, दिस थर्ड वेरिएबल इज called the parameter. Okay, so तो आपको x जो है t में दिया रहेगा, y जो है t में दिया रहेगा, तो ऐसे फंक्शंस को हम पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म से दिए हुए फंक्शंस कहेंगे. नाउ सपोज f of t and g of t are the functions, okay, for f of t x and y respectively, then dy by dx will be equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, in order to find derivative of function in such form, we use chain rule, that is dy by dx equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, so that is dy by dt means, यहाँ पे देखो ये y मैंने किस में दिया, y g of t में दिया, 4at क्यूब g of t, so it will be g dash t upon dx by dt means x, ये x मैंने दिया, f of t में का फंक्शन है, so upon f of t. It's very simple. See question. Example. Take an example. If x and y are connected parametrically by the equation without eliminating the parameter find dy by dx. So here x is given 2at square and y is given at raised to the power 4 and find dy by dx. So solution here x equals to 2at square. Okay, so differentiate with respect to t. So this implies dx by dt will be 4at. Derivative of t square is 2t. So 2t into 4 ये होगा आपका 2t 4at. Okay, and y equals to 8t raised to the power 4. Differentiate this with respect to t. So this implies dy by dt. Differentiate this y with respect to t. So t square का डेरिवेटिव 4t cube. So 4at cube. Okay. Therefore dy by dx equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is 4at cube upon divided by a t raised to the power 4. Okay, so this will be it is 4at simply dx by dt. Just a minute. dy by dt is 4at cube. Okay, dx by dt is 4at. So 4 cancel, a cancel, gives me t square. So this is the derivative of given this parametric equation. X equal to 2at square and y equal to 80 raised to the power 4. X and y are given here in the third parameter and it is asked to find dy by dx. So in this way we can find derivative dy by dx. Okay, now say next question. If x and y are connected parametrically by the equation given in following examples without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. See here, the second question in exercise 5.6 is x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cos theta. Now here x equal to a cos theta, here the third parameter is theta. So find dx by d theta here, differentiating with respect to theta. Therefore dx by d theta, a is constant number, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, so minus a sin theta. This is number 1. Okay, and y is equals to b cos theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, so dy by d theta equals to, again b is constant, cos theta minus sin theta derivative, minus b sin theta, and therefore dy by dx will be equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So that is, what is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta is minus b sin theta. What is dx by d theta? Minus a sin theta. Cancelling this sin theta, minus upon minus plus, that is answer is b upon a. Okay student, so in this way derivative can be find out by using this parametric form. Second is here solution. Second is when x equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. So here x equal to sin t, therefore differentiating with respect to t here, because x is given in terms of t, third parameter t he has used here. Therefore dx by dt equal to cos t. Now y equals to cos 2t. Okay, differentiating with respect to t, so dy by dt equals to cos का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? माइनस साइन. सो cos 2t का माइनस साइन 2t इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2t is 2. So that is minus twice sin 2t. Okay, this is number 2, and therefore dy by dx will be dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, so that is sin 2t I am writing. Sin 2t means 2 sin t cos t, so it will be minus 4 sin t cos t, because sin 2t twice sin t cos t. So this minus 2 into this term, so minus 4 sin t cos t upon what is dx by dt? Cos t, cancelling cos t, so we get minus 4 sin t. So this is the derivative. Now come to fourth question, solution. Here again x and y are given in terms of t, third parameter. Here x equal to 4t, differentiating with respect to t here. So dx by dt, 4t का derivative 4. Now y equals to 4 upon t, that is 4 into 1 upon t है वो, है ना. So differentiating with respect to t, so dy by dt will be 4 into derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square, that is minus 4 upon t square. Okay, therefore dy by dx equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt is. Now see an important question in exercise 5.6. Find the derivative of the following parametric functions: x equal to sin cube t upon root cos 2t, y equal to cos cube t upon root cos 2t. Okay, so students, here x equal to sin cube t upon root cos 2t. So differentiating this with respect to t, differentiating with respect to t, so dx by dt. Okay student, so here see quotient rule. So root denominator, that is root cos 2t into derivative of sin cube t, 3 sin square t into derivative of sin t is cos t minus numerator sin cube t into derivative of this root cos 2t, that will be 1 upon twice root cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t, that is minus sin 2t into 2, and whole divided by square, denominator square, that is cos 2t. So this is, now I am multiplying, this is minus, here it is denominator 1, so multiplying, cross multiply root cos 2t, so this will be cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t minus, I can cancel this 2 to here, okay. So sin cube t, this minus into minus, it will be plus here, sin 2t into sin 2t, whole divided by, here it will be root cos 2t and whole divided by cos 2t, so power is 1, here it is half, it will be cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2, right? Now I am taking sin square t as common, sin square t, so in bracket sin square t 3 cos t, and this is cos 2t, here sin square t I have taken outside, so sin t and this sin 2t, whole divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2, right? So now equals to sin square t in bracket 2 cos t cos 2t, I am writing the 3 cos t cos 2t as 2 cos t cos 2t, और ये 3 है तो इसमें का 2 ले लिया मैंने, ओके, प्लस एक में इसके साथ में लगाता हूँ, प्लस cos t cos 2t, ओके, प्लस sin t sin 2t, whole divided by, this is cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2, okay, so that is sin square t, okay, then this will be 2 cos t in bracket 2 cos t, this is cos 2t, okay, and now plus this is the expansion of cos 2t minus t का फार्मूला है, cos 2t minus t, see cos 2t cos t plus sin 2t sin t, so this is cos 2t minus t, okay, so whole divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2, so that is dx by dt, that will be equals to sin square t, I am taking cos, this is cos t, okay, sin square t in bracket 2 cos t cos 2t, 2 cos t cos 2t, this is 2t minus t means t only, cos t divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2, therefore dx by dt will be, take cos t as common, this is 2 cos t cos 2t, this is plus cos t common, so it will be sin square t into cos t in bracket 2 cos 2t. This is 2 cos 2t. Cos t I have taken outside. This is plus 1 divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3 by 2. So this is your number 1. In this way we can find dx by dt. Now for dy by dt, now y equals to cos cube t divided by root cos 2t. Okay, therefore take the derivative, therefore dy by dt. So denominator cos 2t, derivative of this 3 cos square t into derivative of cos t is minus sin t, minus numerator cos cube t into derivative of denominator 1 upon twice cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t, that will be minus sin 2t. Okay, minus 2 sin 2t, minus 2 sin 2t whole divided by cos 2t square, that is cos 2t. Okay, so this will be equals to, therefore dy by dt, that is minus 3 cos square t minus, this is minus 3 cos square t minus 3 cos square t minus 3 cos square t, and sin t, this is sin t, this is sin t, and this is root cos 2t, root cos 2t. Okay, then minus cos cube t, this is cos cube t. Okay, I can write this minus into minus, it will be plus 1 upon twice cos 2t into, this is 2 sin 2t, 2 sin 2t whole divided by cos 2t, cos 2t, cancel this 2 and multiply this by cos 2t. So dy by dt will be equals to 3 cos square t, 3 cos square t, this is sin t, and it cos 2t into root cos 2t into root cos 2t, that will be cos 2t. Okay, plus this will be sin 2t and cos cube t into sin 2t, and divided by root cos 2t, this root cos 2t, and here it is divided by cos 2t, so it will be cos 2t का पावर कितना होगा, 3/2 होगा, cos 2t का पावर 3/2 होगा. So I am taking this cos square t as common, cos square t in bracket minus 3 sin t cos 2t, this cos 2t, this sin t, cos square t I have taken outside, so minus 3 sin t cos 2t plus यहाँ से cos square t बाहर लिया तो cos t रह गया है ना, तो cos t sin 2t divided by, जैसे divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3/2, right? So therefore dy by dt, that will be cos square t in bracket, this is minus 3, इसको minus 2 और एक minus 1 sin t cos 2t, इसको minus 2 sin t cos t और minus 1 sin t cos t, ऐसा लिखता हूँ मैं. So minus 2 sin t cos 2t. ओके, माइनस 2 हो गए, ये क्या है sin 2t cos t, और इसी का माइनस 3 बचा, एक बच गया, तो ये माइनस cos 2t sin t whole divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3/2. Okay student, now next Okay, therefore dy by dt will be this cos square t in bracket minus 2 sin t cos 2t minus 2 sin t cos 2t and plus, now see the sin 2t cos t minus cos 2t sin t. This is the formula of sin 2t minus t. sin 2t, sin a minus b का फॉर्मूला लगा वहाँ पर, so this will be cos 2t raised to the power 3/2 equals to cos square t और ये होगा आपका minus 2 sin t cos 2t प्लस ये होगा आपका sin t ओनली 2t minus t divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3/2. Okay, so this is equals to cos square t sin t कॉमन ले लो sin t, तो ये होगा minus 2 cos 2t plus 1, that is 1 minus 2 cos 2t raised to the power 3/2. So that will be, ये होगा आपका 1 minus 2 cos 2t, तो ये होगा आपका cos square t, इसको लिखता हूँ मैं, ओके 1 minus cos 2t, इसको ऐसा लिखता हूँ cos square t sin t in bracket 1 minus 2 cos 2t, okay, divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3/2. Okay, so now this is your dy by dt, this is dx by dt and this is dy by dt. Now we have to find dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx, see how to find dy by dx now. Therefore dy by dx जो होगा, तो dy by dt this term, तो cos square t sin t in bracket 1 minus 2 cos 2t divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3/2, dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt है आपका sin square t cos t in bracket 2 cos 2t plus 1 divided by cos 2t raised to the power 3/2. Okay, इसको कैंसिल करो. Okay, so we'll get cos square t sin t cos square t sin t in bracket 1 minus 2 cos 2t upon this term sin square t cos t in bracket 1 plus 2 cos 2t. So here cos square t upon sin square t, एक हमारा sin t इसमें का कैंसिल करो तो sin t बचेगा, cos square t upon cos t एक कैंसिल करो cos t, सो क्या मिलेगा आपको cos t upon sin t. Okay, so here 1 minus 2 cos 2t upon 1 plus 2 cos 2t मिलेगा. Okay students, now next so this will be equal dy by dx equal to, ये माइनस साइन में बाहर लेता हूँ, इसमें 2 cos 2t minus 1 करता हूँ मैं इसको, एक वन माइनस है तो दिस माइनस वन कर दो, सो माइनस दिस इज cos t अपॉन sin t इन ब्रैकेट, ये बने 2 cos 2t, 2 cos 2t माइनस वन करता हूँ, ठीक है। और ये होगा 1 प्लस एज इट इज 2 cos 2t, ओके। सो दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस cos t अपॉन sin t। अभी ये cos 2t का फॉर्मूला लगाओ यहाँ पे, 2 इंटू cos 2t is 2 cos square t minus 1 and this is again minus 1 whole divided by 1 प्लस यहाँ पर भी फॉर्म cos 2t का फॉर्म 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2 cos square t माइनस 1, 2 cos square t माइनस 1, ये cos 2t का फॉर्मूला, ठीक है। सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस cos t अपॉन sin t। आई एम गिविंग here the simplest form, okay। So this will be 4 cos square t, so this will be minus cos t upon sin t, and this will be 4 cos square t, this is 2 into cos 2t, 2 cos square t minus 1, this will be 4 cos square t, 4 cos square t minus this 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and this minus 1 divided by then 1, this is 1 plus this is again 4 cos square t, 4 cos square t, 2 into 2 4 cos square t, then minus 2 into this minus 1, okay, then it is equals to minus cos t upon sin t in bracket, this is 4 cos square t, 4 cos square t, then minus 3 minus 2 and minus 1 divided by this will be 1 plus 1, this 1 plus 4, I am writing this cos square t as 1 minus sin square t, 1 minus sin square t, and this is minus 2, this is minus 2, okay। So equals to minus cos t upon sin t, okay। This will be 4 cos square t minus 3, okay। Then this 1 this 4 into 1 plus 4 and this minus 4 into sin square t minus 4 sin square t and this is minus 2, okay। Therefore dy by dx equal to minus cos t upon sin t into this 4 cos square t minus 3, right, as it is 4 cos square t minus 3 and this is divided by in bracket, this is 1 plus 4 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 that is 3 minus this 4 sin square t, 4 sin square t, so that is equal to minus cos t से मल्टीप्लाई करो, माइनस टेकिंग माइनस एज कॉमन, माइनस को कॉमन ले लो तो माइनस का मतलब 4, दिस विल बी cos क्यूब टी, cos स्क्वायर टी इंटू cos टी, 4 cos क्यूब टी माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस होगा, तो ये माइनस यहाँ पे ले तो ये माइनस तो प्लस हो जाएगा, सो 3 इंटू कॉस टी, 3 cos टी डिवाइडेड बाय साइन टी से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 साइन टी इंटू 3 माइनस 4 साइन क्यूब टी इंटू 4 साइन स्क्वायर टी इंटू साइन टी, 4 साइन क्यूब टी, okay। Now see, this is the formula of cos 3t and denominator is the formula of sin 3t which gives me cot 3t, So this is the simplest answer of this question. So student, in this way you have to find the derivative if the x and y are given in parametric form. This question is very important. Many times it is asked in CBSE. Okay.